Everyone is talking about how AI saves time, but be honest, do you actually feel like you have more free time, or do you just have more inputs? I realized something dangerous recently. I wasn't using AI to be productive, I was using it to drown myself in data. My to-do list was getting longer, but my energy was crashing by 2 p.m. I didn't need another prompt, I needed an operating system, so I built Ent. The problem with standard productivity is that it tracks time. It assumes 1 hour of work equals 1 hour of output, but in the AI era, that's a lie. 1 hour of deep work where you are actually focused is worth 10 hours of distracted clicking. If you are an executive or a creator, you don't need to manage your time, you need to manage your energy, and that requires a dashboard, not a list. His is the executive Zen Dashboard. It's the system I use to run my life without burning out. Let me show you the 3 engines inside. Cut to the energy log. You first. I stop guessing why I'm tired. I use this energy log with RAG status logic: red, amber, green. If I'm in the red zone, the system tells me to shut down. If I'm green, I push hard. It automates my self-awareness. Second, the monk mode engine. When I need to build something, I click this button. It hides my inbox. It hides my projects. It gives me focus, audio, and one single objective. It's a digital do not disturb sign for my brain. And finally, the cockpit. I don't see 50 tasks, I see my top 3 priorities. If it's not here, it doesn't exist. This keeps my mind clear. This isn't just a template, it's a philosophy. It's for the 1% of people who realize that hustle culture is dead and system culture is taking over. I spent 100+ hours building and refining this so it works out of the box. You could build it yourself, or you can just steal my brain. I've packaged the entire OS, including the energy log, the monk mode engine, and my physical JUT-O protocols into a single download. It's called the Executive Zen Dashboard. The link is right below in the description. It costs less than a fast food dinner, but it pays you back in hours of sanity. Go check it out, install the system, and let's get back to work. Peace.